Pepe coin is up 123%. What the heck is going on with the price of Pepe coin? How high is it going to go from here? Let's talk about it. But before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button to stay tuned to the latest and greatest crypto news and to reach your 2024 crypto goals. Alright, so taking a look, we can see Pepe down 2.38% on the day. In terms of the last 7 days, we're basically down about 1%. But overall, in the past month, we're up a whopping 130%. What's going on with the price of Pepe? Let's go ahead and take a deeper look. We can see an announcement from the project. Here reports that the dog's days are over as Pepe's here to take over. I guess that's a bit older, but that's exciting to see. According to Into the Block, 96% of Pepe holders made a profit. It was absolutely insane, because when you really look at it, when in doubt, zoom out. Pepe is currently in all-time high territories. It recently broke its all-time highs, and since then is being a slight pullback, but this is anticipated as the pumps to come. Especially what's going on in the market right now, especially what's going on with Donald Trump first supporting crypto, now going basically arrested. It's very interesting to say the least what's going to happen in the market. Also, guys, is talking about what's happening on the market. Let's talk about a brand new pre-sale gem that just started, which is going absolutely insane. They've already raised over $500,000. What is this project? We see this is called Play Doge, the best play-to-earn Doge companion game. Play Doge is a mobile-based play-to-earn game that transforms the iconic Doge meme into a Tamagotchi-style virtual pet, embracing the 90s nostalgia. Buy play tokens in pre-sale to enjoy the 2D adventures and earn some crypto. So a play-to-earn style game that's currently on pre-sale. Guys, we've seen these Doge-themed tokens go absolutely crazy. We saw Dogeverse absolutely taking off, having a phenomenal pre-sale. We don't anticipate this is going to be just as hyped. Now, also, guys, it's very, very early stage pre-sale, meaning we're at the earliest buy-in prices, so you're not going to want to miss out on it. You can buy with BNB, USDT, or your card. I'm going to link it down in the description below if you want to load up. It's featured on a ton of different places. We can see Play Doge and About tab, the inspiration, game features. So again, it's play to earn, a solid roadmap in place. You're just not going to want to miss out on this project. Even on Twitter, guys, it's super brand new, less than 1,000 followers. So we're bringing you these pre-sale gems super early. So make sure you take a look on this project. I'm going to link it in the description below, and we'll go from there. We see Pepe price is pumping. But back to Pepe, we see Pepe almost at 700,000 followers. Pepe growing rapidly fast. We see this post just a couple days ago. You love Pepe Learn, so we're launching Pepe airdrop. Sign up for a approved allocation, and your account will be airdrop 500,000 Pep by us. Only valid starting today, June 2nd. See the full terms to get the details. And I guess this is with the Robin Hood crypto giveaway. So that's pretty cool. That's obviously a big collab. Looking at technical reports looking very bullish as well. We see for moving averages looking at a strong buy. Summary is buy. Oscillators are at neutral, which is some key indicators. The reality here is, guys, Pepe is pumping. Investor interest is at an all-time high. It's literally basically in all-time high as well. Plus the whole scandal that's going on with Donald Trump, I personally think it's going to bypass. I know the jury said he's guilty, but I don't think they're going to lock him up. I'm pretty sure this time around Trump is going to win again for presidency, and if he does, it's going to be ultimately great for the overall crypto market. So I'm pretty bullish there. But that was some pretty big news we saw today, and that's definitely going to affect the crypto markets. We even see Pepe taking over the news, and this article kind of caught my eye. Here's how a trader turned $462 into $3.4 million with Pepe. Now, guys, are you going to turn $400 into millions of dollars with Pepe? Probably not, at least not in the short term. This trader obviously must have been doing some trades, must have gotten in very early to make that gain. But again, if you want to get in early, a great way to get in early is pre-sale projects, and also just buying at obviously bottoms and selling at tops. Overall, with a 324 billion Pepe tokens, the trader succeeded by a 7,000x by turning his investment $462 to $3.4 million. That's a whopping amount of money. And again, Pepe's only going to continue to grow in popularity as the bull run continues. Again, I'm very bullish for Pepe, guys, and I know you guys are too. But like always, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That pretty much wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.